Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mowa. Myself Nimisha Mehta for class 6 Moral Science. Today let's start our new chapter 15 Success. Definition of success. Success, the opposite of failure, do you know, is the status of having achieved and accomplished an aim or objective. Being successful means the achievement of desired visions and planned goals. Whatever we plan for our goals, it's achievement of success. Furthermore, success can be certain social status that describes a prosperous person that could also have gained fame for its favorable outcome. The dictionary describes success as the following: attaining wealth, prosperity, and or fame. Success as the attaining wealth, prosperity or fame, for famous. How to define success in life? The only person that can answer the question above is you. I am neither able nor willing to prescribe the ultimate definition of success, as this is not possible. Every person is thinking differently about being prosperous in life and is defining success in another way. So there can't exist a definition that is suitable for all. It is very important that you know exactly how to define success in life. Make yourself aware what accomplishment, success and prosperity in general means to you in your life. Some might define success as having luxurious cars and a huge mansion, whereas others consider a life full of joy and happiness with their family as the true meaning of success. Once you have figured out what is important for you personally, you are able to focus on your visions and goals. One of the most important key steps to achieve success in life is to know the meaning of successor. Many of them life we understand, we know how to success in our personal life. The true meaning of success goes far beyond the common definitions of success, such as having a lot of money, being wealthy, having a lot of tangibles, and earned degrees. Quite the opposite. True success in life cannot be measured with the above named factors, but instead with the amount of people that are able to live a better and more advanced life because of what you created. This is the meaning of success. Note the trophies people are collecting in their lives. Media and society lets us often conclude that living a successful life means to be extraordinarily wealthy and have a lot of tangibles. But the meaning of success is to live a happily life and to make this world a better place for everyone. From this our chapter success, the secret of success can be learned from the life histories of successful people. If we identify and adopt the qualities of successful people, we too shall be successful. We gain something from them, then we will be succeed. Similarly, there are characteristics common to people who aren't successful. If we avoid those characteristics, then we shall not be failures. Success is no mystery. It is simply the result of consistently applying some basic principles. First we have to follow, then we will be succeed. Basic principles. The reverse is just as true. Failure is simply a result of making a few mistakes repeatedly. They repeat their mistake again and again, so they can't success. But we correct it and go with a true path. What makes a person successful? To some people, success might mean wealth. To others, it is recognition, good health, a good family, satisfaction, and peace of mind. Success means different things to different people. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal. Here, progressive means that success is a journey. In our life also, we have to clarify many steps. We have to pass our difficult situation. Not a destination. Success is a journey, not a destination. We never complete our journey. We go further and further. After we reach one goal, we go on to next and the next and so on. We continue our journey. Don't stop. Realization means it is an experience outside faces cannot make us feel successful. We have to feel it within ourselves. Worthiness refers to our value system, without which goals can be unworthy. First, we have to decide our goal, then we will succeed. Worthiness determines the quality of the journey. That is what gives meaning and fulfillment. Goals are important because they give us a sense of direction. Then we follow the direction. Bill Cosby says, I don't know the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everybody. To be a person of success, we may have to encounter heartbreaking obstacles. Once a biology teacher was teaching his students how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. This story you learnt. He told the students that in the next couple of hours, the butterfly would struggle to come out of the cocoon. Do you know? Its shell covered. But no one should help the butterfly. Then he laughed. The students were waiting and it happened. The butterfly struggled to get out of the cocoon, and against the advice of the teacher, one of the students took pity on it and decided to help the butterfly to come out of the cocoon. He broke the cocoon to help it so that it didn't have to struggle anymore. But shortly afterwards, the butterfly died. When the teacher returned, he was told that had happened. He was told what had happened. He already helped the butterfly, caterpillar, from come out the cocoon. Why? Because he was pity on that caterpillar. He explained to the student that it is a law of nature, that the struggle to come out of the cocoon actually helps the butterfly to develop and strengthen its wings. Apply this same principle to our lives. No success in life comes without a struggle. You have to study well. You have to do hard work for getting good marks and becoming in next standard. है ना? Yes. No success in life come without a struggle. Everything is difficult before it becomes easy. We cannot run away from our problems. Try and try until you succeed. Keep in mind. Only losers quit and give up. They left the job and they did not try again. They are failure. So from this lesson we understand that no success in life come without a struggle. So dear children, work hard. Read this lesson 2-3 times. Then you will be a successful man. Okay. Write down. Thank you.